Friday, March 27th. Today for our ELA, we have mixed up sentences. The direction, read the words from each sentence. Arrange them to make a complete sentence. So let's look here at number one. Number one says green, period. I color like the. Oh, well, that doesn't make any sense. So when we say a complete sentence, it has to be a sentence that makes sense from start to finish, that has all the parts of a sentence, that starts with what? What does a sentence start with? What should a sentence always start with? A capital what? A capital letter. Yes, so we always have to start with a capital letter, and we're always going to end with punctuation, which is a question mark, an exclamation mark, or in most cases, a period. Very good. So here, well, I have my period in the middle, so that can't be right. Green is lowercase, so that can't be right. I color like the. So okay, even if we take that green away and that period away, is this a sentence by itself? I color like the. No, that doesn't make any sense. Our words are all jumbled up. What would make sense? So I know I'm talking about green, and I hear the word color, I see the word color there, and like. This little girl, we're celebrating St. Patrick's Day, so what could she be saying? I color like the green? Well, that's not still quite right. So we know it starts with the I, because the I is the capital letter, and it's talking about, she's talking about herself, I, and that's always capital. So I color like, or what should it be? I like. Well, there we go. That makes sense. I like what? I like green color the? No. I like the green. I like the green? Oh, no. Oops. Mr. Thomas made a mistake. I like the color. I like the color green. I like the color green. Have I shamrock green A? There's a period. So it's going to be I shamrock have, or I have a shamrock green. What color is this? So the green is the adjective. It's describing the noun. In English, the adjective comes before the noun. I have a blank blank. We're going to put our period over here. So I'll let you fill in the rest. At the look rainbow pretty. Okay, so we're going to tell someone. We want to tell someone to look. Look at our capital letter. Look at the, and again, so pretty is an adjective. It's describing the rainbow. Look at pot I gold C A of. We're going to end with a period. I see of pot gold A. I see. What should come next? I see a what? So what's the thing I see? What's the noun? I see a pot. But a pot of what? A pot of, write that there. Wearing I green am today. I am what? I am wearing I green am today. I am, okay, well today, we know that can go at the end of the sentence. That makes sense. What goes in the middle? And again, I'm using a marker to make sure it shows up, but always use a pencil just in case you make a mistake, so you can always erase if you need to. I am, and if you really get confused, you can X out the words or the letters you've already used. I am today. So just think, what are the two words we have left? What are the two words we have left? Number 6, sharing we coins the can. Well, okay, I know we goes first. It's the capital letter. So we, coins, I can go last. I see the period there. Coins, we, coins. We share the can. We can share. We, oh, that makes sense. We can what? And then look at the words that we have left. Fun dance, a to it jig is. It is fun. It is fun. Dance a to jig. So a jig is a little dance. A jig is like a fun little dance. So it is fun to what? It is fun to, and look at the letters you have left. In today's video for the math, we have from iReady, where it says fill in the number bonds to make a 10. So we see here, we want to take this number, 9 plus 3. We can smash count. We can go 9. Okay, start with 9, 10, 11, 12. But what this shows us is that if we make that 9 into a 10, it becomes a lot easier to count. It becomes a lot easier to look at the two and just count in our head and add them together. What is 10 plus 2? 10 plus 2 is 12. Because in a way, it's as though we're saying, what is 0 plus 2? 0 plus 2 is 2. So 10 plus 2, 10, I have 10 plus 2, 10, 11, 12. Same as 9 plus 3, 9, 10, 11, 12. But a little trick this shows us that if we make the number bond, and then we turn this, we take a number from here. So we're going to take, we have to figure out, how do we have to change 3? What do we have to take away from 3 to make 10 bigger? Or to turn this into a 10. So we want to make 9 bigger into a 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 9. We need what? We need 1. We need 1 to turn this into a 10. But we had to take that 1 away. So this 3 now becomes what? Now becomes a 2. And this is no longer a 9. But what does this become? So here's our 2 singles. We have 10 plus 2. 10 plus 2 is 12. 9 plus 3 is 12. So here, 9 plus 5. Well, we can smash count. We can figure it out. Or, let's do a number bond. Okay. So 5. What makes up 5? We have 2 plus 3. But we're trying to get to 10. So we don't need, how many do we need? We just need 1. We just need 1. So we don't need 2. Okay, 1. 1 plus what equals 5? 1 plus 4. 1 plus 4 equals 5. So this now becomes 10. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But it now became 10. And this became what? What did this become? This became 4. So we then come over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's right here. 10 plus 4 equals 14. So 9 plus 5 equals 14. Look here at number 8. How many do we need? How many do we need to get to 10? We have 8, 9, 10. We need 2. So we've got to have 2 plus what? Now what do we get for? 2 plus 2 equals 4. Okay, so we're going to add these two together to make 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This became this number. Became this number here. And that is going to come right here. 1, 2. So 10 plus 2. 10 plus 2 equals 8 plus 4 equals, let's look at the second sheet of this. Okay, here, so this is saying we need 7 plus 5, 7 plus 5, So how many do we need? We need, so the second page of the math, it has 7 plus 5. So the first thing we need to do, we need to think about what do we need to turn this 7 into a 10. So we have 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have this number 5. So we need, how many do we need? We need how many? 3. 3 plus what equals 5? 3 plus what? So I have 5, or sorry, I have 3, 4, 5. 3 plus 2. And remember, we're now going to add these together. We're going to add these together. We're going to create 10. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This went away, and this went away to make 10. So now we need to think of it. Here, we have this 2. This 2 is going to come over here. We have 2 singles. What is 10 plus 2? 10 plus 2. So we know 7 plus 5. We know 7 plus 5 is 12. Okay, we have 7 once again. How many do we need? The same as over here. How many do we need? 3. Okay, so we need 3 to turn this into a 10. But what equals 6? 3 plus what equals 6? 3 plus 3 equals 6. 3 plus 3 equals 6. But, okay, now that we remember that, these are going to come together. They're going to equal 10. That goes away because it became 3 and 3. And we add this. So this comes here. So it's 10 plus 3. What is 10 plus 3? Again, think of it. What is 0 plus 3? 0 plus 3 is 3. So what is 10 plus 3? 10 plus 3 is 13. And it's the same. So therefore, these are all our numbers that we had from before. So what is 7 plus 6? What is 7 plus 6? 7 plus 6 is 13. So here we have 7 again. So we have 7 plus 4. So how many do we need? How many do we need to turn that 7 into a 10? Same as here, the same as here. How many do we need? And you write it right there. After you write that, add them together. You have 10. And how many do you have left over? How many do you have left over? You write that there. And it's this number that then adds to 10. So then 10 plus 1, 7 plus 4. So 10 plus 1 gives you the same answer. It gives you the exact same answer as 7 plus 4. So this answer and this answer are going to be identical. So how does making a 10 help you add 2 numbers? So think about it. Think about it. How does it make it easier? Share with your brother, your sister, share with your mom, your dad. Share with whoever's helping you do this work. Why does it make it easier? Good luck, boys and girls. Have a good weekend, and see you in the next video.